Good morning, everyone. We're here inside the Anderson garage on a beautiful February 20th. Beautiful day in Minnesota. You all need to come and visit. Here's Adam out blowing snow. We got a grand total of like 12 inches, and that was yesterday's snow. So everybody hurry back to Minnesota. And this is Mason's Mount Suji. He was on here yesterday. Looking over at Carol and Pat's place. 6 degrees. 10 inches of snow. Hurry home. Well, let's see who might be at the window. Oh, look it. It's Mason and Monroe. You can hardly see Monroe in there. A little wave. Alright, well, I think we're venturing over to the neighbors. Pat and Carol will try to clean theirs up. Again, greetings from beautiful, beautiful, beautiful white Minnesota. Goodbye.